Okay, now we've reached the last lesson for this term, for this semester. So, for lesson 20, the last lesson for this term, we will you will learn additional 7 brief forms, like here, and its derivatives. The symbol for the sounds of dev, div, def, and div. We also take the symbol for the sound of U, pronounced as U, as in the word few. Okay, so these are the content of the lesson 20. So let's take first the brief form, additional 7 brief forms, and its derivatives. We have OGay for organization, gay plus V, govern, OW plus V, however, PR, present or present, OPR, opportunity, AK, acknowledge, JEN, general. So those are the additional 7 brief forms. And its derivatives like OGation, organization, OGD, organized, gave, govern plus ment, government, present plus li, presently, present plus D, presented, plus present, represent, represent plus D, represented, represent plus V, representative, opportunity plus S, opportunities, acknowledge plus D, acknowledged, acknowledge plus S, acknowledges, acknowledge plus ment, acknowledgement, and general plus E, generally. Okay, let's try to read. Ready, begin. Okay, so these are additional brief form and its derivatives in this lesson. Okay, now class, I'll now introduce to you another set of sound and symbol, which is the sound of dev, div, def, and div. The sounds of dev, div, def, and div, as in devote, divide, definite, and deeper, are all expressed with a blend. So this kind of blend, which represents a rounded D plus V. So if we combine the symbol of D and V like this, so we have an angle there. So for us to write it quickly, we try to remove the angle there and to form this kind of symbol. It is called the dev blend. So this is a dev blend because it's a combination of a symbol D and V. So this is a dev symbol. Okay, let's try now. Let's try first the dev and div words. Okay, let's try this. We read this as dev. Okay, dev ot, devote, dev oted, devoted, dev is, device, dev isd, devised, dev elp, develop, it lacks an e. Dev elp meant development, dev id, divide, dev ided, divided, dev ison, division, dev ors, divorce. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, next, the words with the blend def and div. So we read this as def. Okay, let's try to read. Def and et, definite. Def and ete, definitely. Def and etly, definitely. Def et, defeat. Def eted, defeated. Def end, defend. Def r, differ. Def rent, different. Def rens, difference. Okay, let's try to read. Ready, begin. Okay, so these are the blend of dev and def. The blend are the words that have the dev and def blend. Okay, class, for your reading practice, again, there are 4 different sentences here which contains the words that have the dev, div, def, and diff blend. So try to read the following sentences correctly and accurately, and for you to be able to develop your skills in reading, please do it. Please do the reading as quick as you can, and without compromising the correctness and the accurateness of your, or the accuracy, the accuracy of your reading. Okay, so please feel free to pause the video if necessary. Okay, now let's proceed. Let's try again another sound, which is the sound of U. The sound of U, as in few, is written with a combination of the E and U symbol. So this E-U combination is called U. E plus U equals U. So we read this as U. Let's try some words with the sound of U. F plus U, U-S, use, USD, used, UNET, unit, UNIT, unite, UNEK, unique, UNEKNES, uniqueness, RFUS, refuse, RVU, review, and for the name, HUS, hues. Okay, so let's try to read. Ready, begin. Again, so these are the sounds of words which have the sound of U. Class, again, for your reading practice, you have to read the following sentences here. There are 4 different sentences here which contains the sounds of U and or words that have the sounds of U. So for your reading practice, and for you to be able to develop your skills in reading, try to read the following sentences fluently, accurately, and correctly. Okay? So again, please pause this video if necessary.